Listen up, please. I know you're going to want to hear this. It is extremely important. That's why you're going to want to like, follow, save this until later, and stay until the end. For those of you who have spent most of your 2024 out there struggling, I want you to know something. You do not need to be walking into 2025 having a repeat performance of your 2024. Entirely too many people have been riding that dreaded struggle bus most of this year. It's finally time that you step down and get off of the struggle bus. You don't need to be a passenger any longer. You can be walking into 2025 in your wealthy place. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Mary Beth. I'm a digital marketer, have been for a really long time. Absolutely love what I do. And I live over here in the Buckeye State. I'm also an empty nester. It's just me and the hubby. And we have Fritz. He's our beloved GSD, German Shepherd dog. He lives with us too. My friend, I have some really great news for you today. If you are willing to do exactly what I was willing to do, your 2025 can look a whole lot different. You can be in a far different place next year at this exact same time. And here's all you have to do. You just need to be willing to take a chance on yourself. You just need to be willing to step out and take a leap of faith, especially if you are sick and tired of being sick and tired. If you're sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, always forced to have to be out there robbing Peter to pay Paul, forced to rely on those plastic cards that probably have gotten you into some trouble this year. Perhaps you have sinken into a hole, into a financial hole, and you're drowning. You're drowning in debt. You don't know how on earth you're going to get yourself out of this debt. And you've just been riding that bus all year long. Friends, you can step off today. It's really easy. 2025 is almost here, and your 2025 can be looking so much different if you're willing to do just two simple things. The exact same two simple things I was able to do and that I did a while back, and that completely changed my trajectory of my situation. And folks, I've been able to help a lot of people along the way. I can absolutely help you if you are willing to, number one, invest in yourself. Just one time. That's it. Invest in yourself, and do understand this one simple principle. It takes money to make money, but it'll be so well worth it in the end. Number two, willing to invest in learning these amazing, amazing, amazing high income skills, because these, my friend, will be the complete game changer. And this is what has the potential to set you up in the new year for financial success. These two simple things, folks. If you're willing to do these, if you're willing to step out and take a leap of faith, commit to yourself, invest in yourself just one time, and then invest in learning these high income skills, your life can look so much different. 90 days from now, 6 months from now, and imagine where you can be if you were to get started and take action today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month, today. How different your life could be next year at this time, folks. Procrastination, remember this, procrastination. You do not want to procrastinate. If you're looking for a different outcome in 2025, you do not want to delay, because procrastination is the killer of all dreams. And I want to be able to help you to turn your dreams into a reality. This amazing opportunity and community has completely changed my life, and I get to be a personal witness every single day inside of our amazing community that spans thousands of members from all around the globe, how many lives are being impacted for the greater good, and yours can be next. All you need to do right now, because I'd absolutely love to share this with you, go up to the LINK in my bio, enter your details, come on inside, watch the video, check everything out. then look for my blueprint email that says, here is your blueprint. You'll also find my contact details inside of that email at the end, at the bottom. Feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you. Go up to the LINK in my bio, enter your email information, and then come on inside. Take your time, and you can discover how this opportunity has the potential to change your life in 2025. Or you can just put simply show me over in the comments. Either way, whatever you prefer. Go up to the LINK in my bio, enter your information, or just type show me in the comments. Either way, I'll get the information sent right off to you. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.